Welcome you all for this video. First of all, thanks to everyone who are supporting my channel. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel A Ray of Success. Today we are going to discussing about what is mean by a determinants. Consider a matrix A should be equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Then what is its determinant? Its determinant can be denoted by determinant of A should be equal to determinant of A11, A12, A21 and A22. This is the representation of a determinant. Okay. It should be equal to find the determinant of this matrix, we should multiply this A11 with this A22. So we can write A11 into A22. Then put a minus sign. Then A12 and A21. That is the multiplication of A12 and A21. This is the determinant of this matrix A. How can we find out a determinant of this matrix A? We should multiply this first element A11 with this element A22. Then put a minus sign. Then we should multiply A12 with this element A21. Then we get a value. That is the determinant of this matrix. We can take one example. Okay. 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, minus 1, 0. Okay. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. We need to find out determinant of A. How can we find out determinant of A? To find out determinant of A, we should take the first element 1. So we can write determinant of A is equal to 1. Write the first element 1. Then into. Then avoid this row and avoid this column. Okay. Then what is the balance element? This 4 element. Then find out the determinant. That means 5 into 0. Multiply 5 into 0. Put a minus sign. Then 6 into minus 1. What is minus 6? So here minus plus. Close the bracket. Then put a minus sign. Okay. Then take the second element of the first row. Minus. That means 3. The number is 3. Then avoid the row included this number. That is first row. Then avoid the column included this number. That means second column. Then what are the balance number? 4, 6, 8, 0. Okay, so we can multiply crossly. 4 into 0. First write this 3 number into 4 into 0 minus 6 into 8. Okay. Then put a plus sign. Then take the third element of the first row. That is 2. Write 2 here. Then take a bracket. Then avoid the row included this number. That is first row. Avoid first row and avoid the column included this number. That is third column. Then what are the balance numbers? 4, 5, 8, minus 1. So we can take the determinant 4 into minus 1. 4 into minus 1. Put a minus sign. Then 5 into 8. Then close the bracket. So this is the procedure to find out the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. Then we can multiply 1 into 5 into 0 becomes 0 plus 6. So only 6 minus. Here 6 and 8 become 48. 4 and 0 becomes 0. Then negative and negative become positive. Then 48 into 3. 24, 144 plus here 4 into minus 1 become minus 4. Here minus 40, minus 4, minus 40, minus 44. Minus 44 into 2 and 88. So here minus 88. So here 150 minus 88. 150 minus 88. 10 minus 8 become 2. Then 14 minus 8 becomes 6. What is the answer? Determinant of A should be equal to 62. Next concept, what is mean by a minor? Minor means, here I am taking a matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Minor can be represented as M. Here we can find out the minor values of all the element of a matrix. Okay. Here first I am going to find out the minor value of this element, that is A11. We can indicate it, this is A11, that means it included the first row and first column. So we can indicate the minor value of this first element become M11. It indicating minor of A11. To find out the minor of this A11, deleting the row included this element. That means deleting this first row and first column. Okay. So what is the balance? Balance should be determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33. Then find out the determinant value. That means A22 into A33 minus A23 into A32. This is the minor of A11. Next, what is minor of this element? A12. M12 is equal to minor of A12. How can we find out? Avoid the row and column included this element A12. That means avoid first row and second column. So balance numbers become A21 here, this A23, here A31, here A33. Then find out the determinant value. A21 into A33 minus A23 into A31. So this value become the minor of A12. Likewise, what is the minor of M13? So deleting the first row and third column. So we will get A21, A22. That means A21, A22, A31, A32. Should be equal to A21 into A32 minus A22 into A31. Okay. Likewise, we can write minor of all the element. Okay. If we need to find out the minor of M22, this element. So about the second row and second column. Balance element we can write determinant of A11, A13, A31, A33. Then find out the determinant. A11, A33 minus A13 into A31. Okay. This is the procedure to find out the minor of each element. Some important notes regarding determinant. First, determinant of A should be equal to determinant of A transpose. Okay, both are equal. Okay, to understand this concept, we can take a matrix A is equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Okay, we can find out the determinant of A matrix. How can we find out? 1 into 3. 1 into 3 become 3 minus 2 into minus 1 become minus 2. So minus into minus plus become 5. So here we get determinant of A become 5. Also we can, so here to find out the determinant of A transpose, first we should find out what is A transpose. That means row become column. So we can write 1 2 minus 1 3. Then what is the determinant of A transpose? Determinant of 1 minus 1 2 3. 1 into 3 become 3 minus 2 into minus 1 become minus 2, so it become plus 2 5. Here we get determinant of A should be equal to determinant of A transpose. So determinant of A should be equal to determinant of A transpose. This is the first note. Second one, determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. It should be equal to determinant of BA. To understand this concept, we can take a matrix A is equal to 1 0 2 0. Take another matrix B is equal to minus 1 3 0 1. First we can find out AB. 1 into minus 1 become minus 1. 0 into 0 become 0. Then 1 into 3 become 3. 0 into 1 become 0. 2 into minus 1 become minus 2. 0 into 0 become 0. Then 2 into 3 become 6. 0 into 1 become 0. Then what is determinant of AB? Minus 1 3 minus 2 6 become minus 1 into 6 minus 6 minus 2 into 3 become minus 6. It is also minus 6, so it become plus 6. It should be equal to 0. Also we can find out what is the determinant of A. Here we can put this is 1. Okay. Next we can find determinant of A. 1 0 2 0. 1 into 0 becomes 0 minus 2 into 0 becomes 0. It also equal to 0. Then what is determinant of B? Minus 1 3 0 1. Minus 1 into 1 become minus 1 0 or minus 1. Here we need to multiply determinant of A into determinant of B. So det A into det B. So here 0 into 1 comes 0. So this is equation number 2. So here we get determinant of AB is equal to 0. Det of A into det of B equal to 0. So here we need to find out determinant of BA. Okay. For that, first we can find out what is BA. B become minus 1 into 3 0 1. A become 1 0 2 0. And multiply. Minus 1 into 1 become minus 1. 3 into 2 become 6 plus 6. Then minus 1 into 0 0. 3 into 0. Then 0 into 1 becomes 0. 1 into 2 become 2. Then 0 into 0. 1 into 0 0. Here we get BA is equal to 5 0 2 0. Then find out det of BA. Five 0 2 0. 5 into 0 becomes 0 minus 2 into 0 becomes 0. So equation number 3. Here we get all the value becomes 0. That means determinant of AB is equal to 0, dit of A into dit of B equal to 0. Here also we get dit of BA is equal to 0. So we can say dit of AB should be equal to dit of A into dit of B should be equal to determinant of BA. Next, third note. If determinant of AB is equal to 0, then either dit A is equal to 0 or dit B is equal to 0. That means determinant of AB is equal to dit A into dit of determinant of B. So, if any one of the value will be 0, it should be leads to determinant of AB is equal to 0. So, we can write if determinant of AB is equal to 0, then either dit A is equal to 0 or dit B is equal to 0. Also, another important notes, that is fourth one, determinant of a unit matrix equal to 1. How can we write a unit matrix? I is equal to 1 0 0 1. How can we find out the determinant of I? 1 into 1 become 1 minus 0. It should be equal to 1. So, the determinant of all the unit matrix should be equal to 1. Next important note, if any row or column of a square matrix contain all its elements as 0, then determinant of that matrix is 0. That means we can consider matrix A is equal to its first row becomes 0. All the element of first row becomes 0. Then what is the determinant? It should be equal to 0. Otherwise, we can consider another matrix 0 0 9 6 4 2. Here we can, if you consider this matrix, all the element of the first column becomes 0, then its determinant should be equal to 0. Here I am consider all the element of a first row becomes 0, then it should be 0. Here I am considering all the element of a first column becomes 0, then we can write its determinant should be 0. So we can say if any row or column of a square matrix contain all its elements as 0, then determinant of that matrix is 0. Another important concept, what is mean by a singular matrix? The condition of a singular matrix become determinant of A. Here I am considering a square matrix A. Then determinant of that matrix should be equal to 0. Then that matrix is known as singular matrix. What is the condition of singular matrix? Its determinant should be equal to 0. Otherwise, that means if determinant not equal to 0, then we can call that matrix is a non-singular matrix. What is a non-singular matrix? Condition become determinant not equal to 0. What is a singular matrix? Determinant should be equal to 0. We can consider one example. A is equal to 1 2 1 2. What is the determinant? 1 into 2 become 2 minus 1 into 2 become 2. Then what is the determinant value? Here we get determinant A is equal to 0. Then we can call this matrix is a singular matrix. If determinant of A not equal to 0, then we can call that is a non-singular matrix. Thank you.